Party foul. Hello everybody! We are here in my tiny home. I'm Savy.
I'm Sweets.
And we're here talking to you today about how to save money while traveling to Italy.
Traveling the world with Savy Sweets. Yeah!
Check all of your airlines.
Yes.
Luggage size limits before you go, because you don't want to be checking baggage and paying extra fees for that.
Yeah,
like
check it before you go.
When I traveled the last trip, I brought just like the smallest minimal luggage. I didn't have to pay any extra fees.
Yep, really smart. Check it out. They'll have size,
heights, width, dimensions, and weights.
I did not do that with my guitar last time I went, and I ended up having to pay about $50 per leg of our journey, which was like 4 different flights. So this is a Kelty Redwing. It is kind of a big bag, but it's I think 50 liters because it has the number 50 here. I like it because you can unzip it all the way down to the bottom, so you can really get into it really low. You know, you have a lot of pockets, side pockets, front pockets, top pockets, inner pockets.
Hot pockets.
But anyways, this one does fit as a carry-on, but sometimes I am pushing the limit, depending on how full. I've gone on multi-month trips and really packed the crap out of this bag. Some planes, like budget airlines, if you're going from place to place within Italy, this might be even a little too big, but for the most part, if you're just going to one Italian destination and back, they will let you bring a carry-on. But for example, like Ryanair and these other terrible low budget airlines, they're so cheap because they are not allowing you to do things such as bringing on luggage. We have packing cubes, super helpful because it can help squish your stuff down more and organize it. I have one usually for socks and underwear, and then I'll have one for pants and shirts. This is my pants and shirts one. Packing cubes and such will help you to bring less things or to get them in smaller spaces. You can be paying anywhere from like $40 to $100 each way just to bring a bag when it gets kind of big, depending on your airline. So it can save you money to bring less things, get it in a backpack, wear it on your back.
Yep. I don't got nothing to say. Word.
And also something that a lot of people don't know before traveling is that some hostels and places will charge you for a towel. I bring this microfiber traveling towel and it folds up really small, and I bring it on all my trips just in case. It kind of doubles as a blanket as well if you need a little extra warmth or anything like that, but it's good to bring your own towel. Most places in Italy won't be charging for bedding depending on where you're going. Like Iceland, they'll charge you for bedding, so you want to bring a sleeping bag, but that's for another video about Iceland.
Ciao.
Hold my wine, Andrew. I like to bring a backpack within the backpack for day trips. In case you're going out for a day somewhere, maybe you'll take a train to another local town that is close by. You don't want to bring all your stuff with you, but you want a bag where you can carry things with you. I don't know what you bring. Maybe like a camera, a water bottle, etc., etc.
Well, even if you buy things while you're out, it's good to have a thing to carry your things.
A thing. This is a Coreal. I got this on Amazon a long time ago, and I've used it a lot because it packs up really tiny and it fits a lot of stuff in it if necessary. We will also link some vacuum sealed. If you're going on a longer trip, it can be helpful to bring vacuum sealer cube bags. They're really cool. It's like a plastic bag. I actually put my entire packing cube into it, and then you roll out the air. So it goes from being this big to this big. Really helpful, really handy to save room, which is saving you money. Oh look, I have a pillow in here as well. In case you like to have a pillow while traveling, I recommend not getting those stupid little neck donuts, for the plane.
No one even likes donuts.
My sister, though, did get some cool little blow-up one, which, if you really want a neck donut for the airplane ride, go ahead and get one. But find one that's not going to take up a lot of room, one that can maybe deflate or shrink down. Sometimes I bring this with me if I have a long ride or I just want an extra pillow. It looks small, but after a little while, you unroll it and it will fluff out to be, air needs to fill it, but it becomes a big pillow. Big comfy pillow and saves room. I don't think anything. Well, if you're going camping and stuff, you know, sometimes I bring a down blanket.
Subscribe to our camping channel where we have camping trips. Wait, camping tips for camping trips.
This is a black diamond down blanket.
0 degree.
0 degree.
Is it?
No. But basically, yeah. So there are some things to help you pack less and not spend money while you are traveling and have an awesome time in Italy. Send us a message if you have any questions. Comment below. Let us know how any of these tips helped save you money. We will answer any questions that you have in further videos. And we really hope you've enjoyed traveling the world with Savy Sweets.
But yeah, be sure to subscribe. That was a joke.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can see more videos about traveling and different places we've went and different cool things we've done. We want to share with you how to travel better, for cheaper, more efficient, see cool stuff. You know, maybe we'll do some informational rap videos because we didn't tell you before, but we're really cool.
But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos about this topic, traveling, cheap ways to travel.
To Italy. I'm Savy.
I'm Sweets.
And we are Savy Sweets. We out.
Oh.
And this is Ella.
And this is Poppy,
And
who
this
looks
is Poppy.
like a dark pillow you can't see.
She looks like a black pillow, but she's actually my dog. Oh.
Bye.
Bye.
We went there and there. You're gonna travel there, everywhere.
Amore.